Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick. It's May 14th, and we're solving problem number 134 from the Daily Epsilon calendar. And we need to show why x is supposed to be 14 for today. So I see like two conditions right here, which hopefully will clear up what this function g is all about. And then I'll plug in the number 6 into the function g, and hopefully I get 14 for today. So this upside down A just means for all. And so to read this in English, I'd say for all t, f of g of t is equal to 4t plus 3. So that means if I plug in the number t into the function g, and then do some math, and then plug in that number into the function f, it's the same thing as just doing this operation right here. I also get to know something about the function f. So if I plug in some number here into the f function, I should multiply it by 2, then subtract by 1. Okay, and I'm hoping that these two statements give me something about the function g. Maybe I'll try to solve for what g of t is equal to. That way I can plug in the number 6 and then follow the rules over here on the right side. So let's try isolating g of t out of these two statements. Okay, well, f of g of t is equal to 4t plus 3, and f of t is equal to 2t minus 1. So that's exactly what it's telling me. And I'm noticing like I could replace this t right here with a g of t. And then maybe I'll follow the rules over here and then like maybe isolate that g of t. So here's what I'm thinking. I could erase this t, and then I'll color code it as a g of t. And that means I can replace this t over here with a g of t, kind of like that. And on the left side, I know that f of g of t is 4t plus 3, and this is supposed to be equal to 2 times g of t minus 1. So great, I should just isolate g of t, and then I'll know something about it. How about let's add a 1 to both sides? So I'll get 4t plus 4 equals 2 times g of t. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2 and swap the sides, just because I usually like having my function start on the left. So I'm going to get g of t is equal to 2t plus t, 2t plus 2. That's just me dividing this by 2 to kind of get rid of this multiply by 2. So great. I have an expression for g of t. It's 2t plus 2. So now when I plug in the 6 that the problem statement kind of told me to plug in right there, I should find the number 14 on the other side. So just replacing the t, I'll get 2 times 6 plus 2. That is 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14. There we go. Sweet. We're all done. G of 6 is indeed 14, and that's it for today. All right, cool. Guess I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for solving this with me. Bye.